What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe, hit the all notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe, hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle. King Hussle 2.0. King Hussle creates your reactions, turn motivation into millions, King Hussle X1M, and the Hussle family. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up. Now listen, it's a lot of fake social media platforms out there impersonating me, scamming people. And I need y'all to be more aware. I do not have 50 or 60,000 subscribed followers on IG. My IG name is not King Hussle on YouTube. I don't got no random new pages, so a page pop up just brand new King Hussle page. That's not me. My backup page is not King Hussle backup. If a King Hussle page following more people than it's following them, you automatically should already know that's a scam page. My Telegram is not King Hussle or Hussle Nation nothing. So if a King Hussle Hussle Nation Telegram, you talking to that page, that's not me. It's a YouTube, the commenter under all my videos in the comments. When you comment, Telegram King Hussle X1, that's not me. The tail and Telegram spell weird, so be aware of that. And just get a FaceTime verification call or video before you send your money to anybody to make sure you're seeing this face before you make your payment. Smartest thing you can ever do. Bow. So, and before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to go do anything. So let's get this thing started. So today, you know, I'm dropping gems. We about to drop a sauce. We about to drop in this information that, you know what I'm saying, that everybody need to win. Everybody need to succeed. It's a lot of people out there that, you know, it's a lot of people out there that need to just learning how to build their credit, learning how to build their business, learning how to build their platform, learning how to build their self so they can elevate and make it to the top of the pyramid. And everybody want to become successful. Everybody want to become an entrepreneur. Everybody wants to be at the top. So the way of doing that is business and credit. A lot of people don't understand that. The way the rich get rich is off credit and loans and lines of credit and credit cards. The poor gets poor because they don't know about credit. They don't utilize their credit. They don't utilize their business credit. Business credit is easier to utilize than personal credit. You can get loans and credit cards and lines of credit easier on your business side than your personal side. You can start a business today and grow it and build it and get a $50,000 loan faster than you'll get a $50,000 personal loan. So today I'm going to give you guys another bank. Yes, another bank that's giving out from $10,000 to $500,000 in small business loans for people out there with no documents required. So all you got to do is walk in the bank. No. Before you even get the chance to walk in your bank, all you need to do is make sure your business is together. So what I mean by that is have your LLC, have you a virtual address, have a business number and register with the 401 National Directory, have a business email, not Google or Yahoo, and have a website, have a business account, checking and savings with some revenue in there, some capital. Then you want to, but either the best bet is to make an account with this bank or just have those things together when you do. And I guarantee you'll get one along with these people. So today we're going to talk about Key Bank. It's a new bank. Well, not a new bank, but a new place for people to go get some funding from $10,000 to $500,000 in small business funding and invest into the things that they need. So let's get into it. So today we're going to be talking about Key Bank Small Business, all right? Small businesses, 2% cash back. Now that the smart business, earn up to 2% unlimited cash back with the business cash rewards credit card. All right, so first we're going to learn more about that. So basically, earn Key Bank Business Cash Rewards Card up to 2% cash back on purchases. Earn big rewards for your small business. Open a Key Bank Business Cash Rewards credit card and earn up to 2% unlimited cash back on purchases. No categories, no expiration dates, no annual fees. If you spend $2,500 per month at 2% cash back, you'll earn $50 a month or $600 a year. This is the overview. Earn $200 cash back when you spend $1,000 in the first 60 days, 0% for 6 billing cycles on purchases and balances transfers made in the first 60 days after the regular APR will apply. 18.24% and 28.24 variable rate based on credit worthiness. Annual fee $0, balance transfer fee $10 or 4%. Late payment fee up to $39. Overdraft protection transfer fee $0. Minimum interest charge. If interest is charged, the minimum will be 50 cents. So this is the features and benefits. Earn 2% unlimited cash back rewards. Grow your rewards without limits. Redeem your cash back easily. You always get employee cards at no additional cost. $0 liability fraud protection. Automatic payments. Secure online business banking. Fast, easy purchases. All benefits of a MasterCard. So that's just their credit card. Then they got the business card. It's roughly the same thing. Small businesses. Then we're gonna drop down here. So we got the business term loans. Meeting your business goals often means adding funds to grow and expand. Whether you need to buy equipment or a property, consolidate debt or increase capital. Key bank business terms loans give you a leg up with flexible terms and competitive interest rates. So here's all the terms. You get up to 7 years to pay back the loan. So if you get a $10,000 loan, you can get it for 7 years. You get a $50,000 loan, you get it for 7 years. $500,000 loan, you get paid off in 7 years. It just all depends on what you got going on. Here are the features: ability to finance equipment purchases with interest-only draw periods that automatically convert outstanding amounts to term loans. Up to 100% financing may be available for equipment. Options based on both secured and unsecured loans. Competitive fixed and adjustable interest rates. Fixed monthly payments for easy budgeting. Automatic payment deduction means worry-free banking. May be eligible for SBA guarantee. All right, so that's that. They got the lines of credit from $10,000 to $500,000. So Key Bank, you got if you got your business together, go apply for Key Bank. Go get you a loan. Don't walk in there and say, "Oh, we'll talk about that." Let's talk about it. Key Bank. So let's talk about it. Now, a lot of people are like, oh man, I be getting denied for these loans because y'all don't be having y'all business together. There's a lot of people that's getting approved for these loans, and there's a lot of people that's not getting approved for their loans because they don't got their business together. Like I said, have you run an LLC. Once you got your LLC together, or your S Corp or your C Corp or your nonprofit organization, make sure you got those things together. Then get your virtual address, get your business number, and get it registered with the 401 National Directory. Get you a website, get you a business email. Boom. Then get your Dun & Bradstreet number, get your UEI number, get your NAV account. Then what you want to do is get you 3 to 5 net 30 or 60 or 90 day trade lines. Net on your plans on your credit. Once you got them, then go apply for the loan. You gotta have some type of business credit, and you all know about Uline, Granger, Quail. It's a lot of different places that do net 30, net 60, net 90 per plan. So let me explain that to you guys one more time. Start your LLC or your C Corp or your S Corp or your nonprofit organization. Once you do that, get it together. So get your business number, a business email. Make sure your business number registered with the 401 National Directory. Get your website. Get your Dun & Bradstreet number. Get your UEI number. Get your NAV account. Once you got all that, then get you get you 3 to 5, if not more, net 30s, net 60, or net 90s. Just get the net 30s and the net 60s. Don't worry about the net 90s, because that's 3 months. That's 90 days, 3 months. You don't need that. You need 1 or 2 months so you can hurry up and get this loan. That's going to boost your paydex score. Then walk into the bank and be like, I'm trying to get a small business loan. Easy as that. So a lot of people A lot of people would just be having like the idea, like, oh, I'm finna go just apply for this loan and then get a denied and like be mad. No, get y'all business together. I don't know how many times I gotta preach that. Like, a lot of y'all don't have your. I'm guaranteed 98, if not 99% of y'all that's watching these videos don't have y'all business together, which is cool. Which is all the way cool. That's why I'm here, to help you organize your business so you can do it the proper way and get these loans and credit cards and lines of credit that you guys need. Point blank, period. And I know no one's perfect, so long as we do what we need to do, I guarantee y'all get these loans. I guarantee y'all be able to get the money that y'all need. Cause y'all think nobody's getting these loans. Like y'all, like it's all about perception, how your profile looks, how your pay stubs look, how your bank statements look, how your W-2s look, how all that looks. So always take that in consideration when you're applying for these loans, when you're starting your business and all that, all right? So it's your boy King Hussle. Shout out to all my real King Hussle fans. Shout out to all my real King Hussle supporters, because without y'all, that'd been on me. You motivate me to keep going. You motivate me to keep dropping these these videos. Keep dropping ways for y'all to make thousands of dollars a day. Invest in new businesses. How to make passive income. Y'all my homies. So make sure y'all keep tapping in. Also, I'm still looking for people for the production company. I'm looking for models, actors, rappers, producers, cameramen, content creators. If you got at least 500 subscribers on YouTube and 2,000 watch time hours and growing, tap in with me. I'm going to show you how to really boost your YouTube. I'm going to show you how to really create content for you to start getting the views that you need and start making the money that you need. We're going to win together. If you're a model out there, you tired of taking these pictures and not getting paid, you tired of wearing this lingerie, putting your makeup on and put it all on Instagram and still not getting nowhere, you tired of shaking your behind on social media platforms and not getting paid, you tired of just being beautiful and not getting paid, period, tap in with me. All I ask for you to be ready to handle business, be a business-minded woman, understand that everything isn't about being naked, everything is about someone doing something for you. You got to work for yourself. You got to put yourself in a position to win, and I'm going to help you do that. I'm going to show you you could do more out there. You could be successful. You could be anything that you want to do, but I'm going to show you some tricks how to get that money, get your platform together, and we win together. I'm still looking for rappers. I'm still looking for content producers and cameraman. You good with the camera. You got that 4K or that 8K or that 6K action, that red, or you know what I'm saying? You good with that editing? Tap in with me. Let's win. Let's get some money. Let's continue to grow. Y'all know how I get down at the end of the videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.